Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, hello, my name is NESHA, and if you ain't new, what it do, baby boo. Welcome back to today's video. Today is day 8 of 31 days of beauty. Yeah, so for the whole month of October, I am bringing a tutorial to you guys, and sorry, my lips really chapped. I'm bringing you guys a makeup tutorial every day for the month of October, and I some things up. I'm using a different makeup palette every single day, and this time around, this year, being that this is my 3rd time doing it, I decided to do palettes I haven't touched in my collection. Yay! So I'm getting some uses out of my palettes. So this one is kind of new to the family. I think I got her about a good, I want to say 2 to 3 months ago, but she's definitely not new to the market. So this is going to be the Juvias Place, yes, Nubian 3 Coral. Yes, I don't know why I did not have this palette. I honestly think didn't realize I didn't have it, but I remember Ulta was having some kind of sale with the Juvia, and that's when I took advantage and bought this palette. So we're going to be giving her a go run and see how good she is, because I know she's going to be good because it's Juvia, you know? And I like the fact that this palette is not your basic neutral palette. It has a little bit of browns, but peachy coral colors and grays. Like, what? Look at this color story, okay? So it's obvious for what I want to put in my creases is brown. So I can put anything on my lid, but I want to use this brown. So I am going to go ahead and start off with that. Yes, get that brown. I'm going to pop that right in the crease. I think when I first seen it, when our sale started at Ulta for the Juvia Place, I was like, nah, I'm not going to get this palette because it might be similar to the other Juvia Place palettes that I have, which was the coffee shop at the time, and the other like 6-pan palette by Juvia. I can't think of the name of it right now, but it's a neutral brown one, which is so pretty, but none of these shades is in there. I checked, trust me, I checked. So I was like, okay, yep, I'm getting it. I'm getting it. And plus, like I said, what sold me is that it wasn't like a basic neutral palette, because it has corals and grays in it. And I thought that was very different. Have y'all seen Juvia's new palette though? Speaking of Juvia, have y'all seen the new palette? Yes, I will insert the picture. I already ordered it, so y'all definitely will be seeing her. She's so cute. Like, Juvia's like one of those brands, like I don't even think about them anymore, as in like, oh, do I need this? I just buy it. Full on support. I just buy it. I'm like, yep, I need it. Yep, it's Juvia. Yep. Just get it. So I also bought that, and then there was another palette on the actual website. I think it came out, I want to say last year, Christmas time, or around that time. It was like a limited edition. I thought it was a limited edition, but wherever the case was, it was on sale. I bought her. So I'm getting 2 new Juvia Place palettes. Yes, excited. So if it comes on time, she will be inserted in this 31 Days of Beauty. Yes, sorry, other palettes, Juvia comes first. All right, so now that I have that on, I guess I'm going to take the same shade and I'm going to mix it with probably this shade right here. So I don't think it's going to do good by itself. I'm going to try it by itself first. And if I don't feel like it's doing anything, then I'll mix it with the actual crease color. You know what? I think she can do it by herself. Okay. Yeah. This can do it by itself. It's a nice little blending shade. And the only thing I wish this palette did have is at least like warmer, deeper shade than this, like maybe a black, if I wanted to change things up, because I feel like I only have this brown really to depend on if I want to use like a variety of these colors. Otherwise, yes, I can use the gray, I think, the coral color. I don't know, it'd be like a different style of look, if that makes sense. But anyway, let's put something on the lid. I'm not gonna cut my crease today because I just don't feel like it. I just don't feel like it today. I'm just gonna put a little bit more of some eyeshadow base on the lid though. The shade I'm gonna go for, let's go ahead and pop one of these coral colors on. Ooh, this is like really coral. It's aka orange. Alright, so let's put a little bit more of that brown towards the outer. And I'm gonna bring it in a crease as well. Alright, oh, that's so pretty. Okay, let's put a little shimmer. I'm gonna go with the shade that's next to it, or should I? Oh wait, I'm gonna go with the obvious. Ooh, I'm gonna go with this shade. I hope this one works out. So I was thinking about this one, but yeah, change of like the color story. I feel like if I do that, coral color is just gonna look too orangey all over the eyelid. So let's do a little switcheroo. I want to see what it looks like before I wet it. Okay, I think it'd be cool. That is so simple, but yet so cute. Let me do a quick wing and then the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. All right, so let's quickly move on to the lips, and I will later tell you guys what I did for the face, but let's move on to the lips. I'm gonna go in with my NYX Line Loud pencil after I take all these lip oils off my lips first. For my lipstick today, I'm going to go in with Sweet Slay Cosmetics. Oh, it's so pretty. Let me do a quick little plug in. If you guys check out Sweet Slay Cosmetics, please use my coupon code. It'll take some coins off on your checkout. They have some really good products, down to the lip products, as you can see, down to the eyebrow products that I wear faithfully. Yes, honey. And a beautiful nude eyeshadow palette as well, called Nude in London. So please go ahead and check the Slay Cosmetic website out. Link will be down at the bottom. Oh, it's trash time, so y'all gonna hear the trash can really quick. Let me just pop on this gloss. Let me tell y'all something. These Juvia hydrating lip oils, I'm gonna be honest, they're not good. They're not the oil hydration that I was looking for. It's cute little coloring, but they're really not my favorite. I'm just using them because I bought her and I'm trying to use her up. But if you want something from Juvia that I feel like the lip oil should have gave, I don't know what oil she got in here, but it is so freaking creamy and so thick and hydrating and glossy. Like this what I felt like the lip oil should have been. But if y'all looking for a lip oil, lip gloss, this is it, okay? And they come in different shade ranges. I have them all. Let's not talk about that. Y'all see my Ulta haul, okay? But as for these, I don't know, I'm just not really a big fan of them. You know, I feel like I put more on throughout the day because it doesn't give me that hydration that I like. I don't know if the different colors have different oils in it, but I would have liked like a mint feel on the lips. Like, ooh, that would feel so good. But anywho, this is what we got going on. Let me zoom out. All right, so here is what the final look looks like zoomed out. I love this palette. Of course, I feel like I always said I love this palette, but no, I really do like this palette. I don't know why I did not have this in my collection already, but she's definitely a cutie patootie. And I like that when I first put this orange on, coral, whatever color you want to call it, I thought it was going to be like super like bright, but in a sense, I gave you guys like a orange neutral eye, right? I think in my opinion, I did. I think I did. So really quick on my face, I just have on the e.l.f. primers mixtures. I have on the e.l.f. Putty Matte and then the e.l.f. Mint Melt. And I know I'm so behind on giving you guys my primer videos. I kind of like forgot about them. I've been filming them, but I just haven't edited them and uploaded them. So yeah, because I pretty much did all of the elf primers. I just haven't uploaded them. So I apologize, you guys. It will be I might have to throw them in here up in this October video thing. And I've been doing lip swatches too, so I might need to throw those into rotations as well. Like, your girl been slipping, okay? I've been slipping for my foundation. I've been doing foundation reviews too. I need to add those. Look at me. Y'all please get on me, please. Blanisha, where are the lipstick swatches, where the primers review, and definitely where's the foundation, because y'all know I got too many foundations that I bought this year that I've yet to try. Like, we didn't put a dent in it yet. So but right now I'm trying out the Clinique, and I have some good feedback on this one. Spoiler alert, yes, but you guys will see a review video. I don't know when, but I filmed it, okay? But this is what I have on my face. This is the one that I got from the 21 Days of Beauty. Really good foundation. Okay, powders, I have on the Beauty Bakery. For all of my face today, I have on Laura Mercier. Yes, this is gonna be the medium deep shade. She's growing on me. I don't think she's gonna fully knock Dermot Blend down, but she's growing on me by using her quite often. I did put on the Lily Love liquid blush underneath my on top of my foundation before I went with my powders. Just wanted to mention that real quick. And then for the actual blush powder, I have on the Juvias blush. I highlighted with my Cookie. I always have a hard time remembering how to pronounce that brand, but Heavenly Highlighter. And then you guys pretty much seeing the rest of the beads. Yeah. So let me know if you guys are feeling this look, okay? And I know everybody and their mama got this palette, because like I said, this is not a new palette. Like, I'm just late to the party on getting her. So some of y'all should have took advantage of it recently, because Ulta had their fall haul event. Yeah, Juvias was like 30 or 40% off, so definitely that was a steal. But anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup tutorial. And of course, don't forget to come back tomorrow, because we ain't done yet, okay? We just now transitioning into the second week, okay? You guys all have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.